Welcome to this Learn Tech channel, or Tech for Everyone. And basically we will show you here how to turn on or off location services in an Apple iPhone. And this works with an iPad or an iPhone, and this is in iOS 13. So by default, location services are most of the time turned on your iPhone, which is fine because having location services means that you can actually be tracked down by the apps that you're using. So for example, by using location services, you can go, for example, on Maps. In Maps will actually pinpoint where you are, but maybe you don't want to have all the time tracking of your location done. Maybe you don't want apps to necessarily always know where you are. And one thing you can do is just turn off location services. Remember that some apps require this to work well, so it depends what you will be doing on your phone. Simply go to your settings app. In your settings app, you will have privacy. And privacy at the top, the first is location services. Simply go to the location services, and here you can turn them on or off. And of course, you can also share your location and actually have whether you want to share while using, never, or ask, do you want to share location? What difference did it make that I just did here? Simply this. For example, if I go to Maps, it now can pinpoint my location, and I will allow once, and it will actually pinpoint where I am and bring a map closer to my location. Of course, depending on the GPS of the phone, and depends on also your internet connectivity. Looking around at the different services, it works well in general. Here it's very long because it's never been activated probably, but this is usually going to track you down and let you know where you are. So once again, settings. In the settings, you go to the privacy settings. In the privacy settings, you will go into location services on or off. I'll turn it off now. And this means no sharing of locations, no sharing of anything that basically where you are and where you're going, and no tracking in general. There's a little bit of controversy maybe here, because there are some ways that they can still track you, and we know that some apps have been actually snooping in on where you are by looking at your internet connections, for example, where you are connected. So this is a possibility, but overall a lot of apps won't be able to track you down with this turned off. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.